New replacement school, Willows Primary School, Cape Town, for the Western Cape Education Department by Neil Franks Architecture. Willows Primary School is located in a residential neighbourhood south of the N2 highway. The tight site inadvertently played a significant role in the success of the project. The school is ordered around a series of courtyards, protected from the weather by the flanking single and double-storey buildings that ensure surveillance and safety. The school displays a hard, protective edge to the surrounding areas, with selective glimpses into the school grounds, and as a beacon in the neighbourhood, where positive landmarks are in short supply. On the east side, the school opens up toward the sports field, accessible to the community, where the vertical circulation doubles as a pavilion for spectators while still retaining a sense of security. Materials are hard-wearing, cost-effective, and low maintenance, befitting a government institution of learning, neither cheap nor lavish, but appropriate for context. There is nothing superfluous here. The architecture of the new campus is a product of its function. It is a school which looks and feels like a school in a climate where learning institutions are struggling to find identity. The architecture provides a safe, nurturing, and spacious environment where pupils can learn, while at the same time instilling a sense of pride and awareness amongst both its learners and the broader community.